It's cracking combos time again, and my chickens come by to help you find my egg. So have a go at my combo, post a video of what you do, and have a great time with this lovely challenge. So my combo starts with a rabbit hole. Palm underneath, lift the hoop up as a frame, it's your rabbit hole. Put your Easter bunny head, mind the ears, through the hole and pull the hoop down, keeping it vertical. Step out. Then we're going to roll the hoop over the back of our hand, like that, and catch it. Then we're going to toss the hoop up for a catch, but to make it more exciting, we keep our hand back and then punch it out for the catch, so it looks more like that. Then we hinge it back so the hoop is behind our arm. You'll see my thumb is up. If I turn my thumb down and tip it over my arm, it gets to there. If you've got a bigger hoop, let it come across a bit. The other hand comes and holds it and helps tip it down for one more fold. And then we're going to take it round for a sunshine mandala. Now, if you're not sure of those, I'm going to show it from behind because it's easier that way. Your hands are on the outside of the hoop. Take them up so that this arm is now on top, and you pull it behind, keep it rolling till the other hand's on top and bring it down. And that's how that sunshine mandala works. So we had our catch and we took it round. When it comes all the way around to here, we're going to balance it. Don't panic, on our hand. Now, it helps when you balance to look at the top of the hoop and have a moment of balance. If you end up hating this, just hold it and cheat. But try the balance, because from there, we're going to give it a little toss, whoop, and pop our arms in for the backpack. And that will be a reason to celebrate. Woohoo! Have fun. Let me know how you get on or if you've got any questions.